You guys, so I figured I would do a video on how I take down my passion twist. So yeah, I've had these in for like a little bit over a month, and let me tell you, this is going to be my go-to style for a long time. But the first thing that you want to do is put your hair into sections just to make it easier. And the only thing that you're going to really need is a scissor here, and that's mainly to cut the rubber bands. I'm just going to cut half of this, and again, you don't have to worry about anything because my hair is literally in cornrows, so I don't have to worry about that. Just take the twist, unravel it like so. Yeah, I have it there, and then it comes right out. I'm literally just using a toothpick here, and I'm just going to try to hook it under where I feel the rubber band. And once I actually have a loop, I'm going to attach my finger right in that loop, and then this is where I'll go in with my scissor, making sure I'm pulling away, and I'm just gonna snip it, and then it's just gonna come right off. All right, so I'm all finished, and my hair is taken out. That is it. I got all of the hair. 1, 2, 3 was not that long of a process, but yeah, that's pretty much how I take down my passion twist. Hope you guys liked it. Peace.